Welcome to this adventure. Today we're making scented candles. Let me tell you what's here. We have scents. These are the colors pink and green. Tiny spoons. A wick candle with tape on the bottom. A tin for candles. And that's all, and we have candle wax. Let's start.
Put the wax into the broiler.
Put on.
Yes, good.
Yeah. It smells melting super fast. Pass the grim. Should we mix it?
Attach the wick to the bottom of the candle tin.
Okay, tell me when to stop moving it. Here?
To the middle of the tin.
Here?
Yeah, right there.
I'm sticking it hard.
Alright, very good. So now attach.
Tiny spoons. I'll pay you to this. The spoons.
I can stir it now.
Okay, there.
Gently.
Okay,
Don't touch it.
Okay, I need a minute in case I touch it. Yeah. Okay. It's kind of like me making soup as a grown up. This is what I imagine it will be like. Just mixing up some stuff in a pot. Make sure you have a mitten or something that you don't get burned with, because you might touch it and get burned. That's why we have the mitten nearby. Because it might get burned. Now it's ready. It kind of looks like soup that I'm mixing. And I'm going to see how liquidy it is to pour. Mommy, can you pour this for me, please?
Sure.
Ooh. Mama, I love you. Turn off.
Turns off already.
Turn on, it's still bubbly. 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 Bubbly.
Hold your hand.
I'm taking away the scent. It's steaming up, it's bubbling. It's bubbling. It's bubbling. It's bubbling. Yeah. It's bubbling. Yeah, how much scoops? But how much?
Mix it and see. Mix it and see how it looks.
Why can't I just take one more?
You want more?
Yeah, I need more. Your turn out super pearly.
Yeah. Yeah, mine's good. Nice. Wasn't it?
Guys, you have to see mine. Have to see. Mommy show the camera mine. Mix it.
It's a nice kind of pearl finish. Pretty scented.
What's we got? Mine is this one because it smells good. It smells good. Okay, open up this one. How am I supposed to?
I just shake it now.
Check.
Scent I'm using is Smell of Christmas.
What's my smell?
Let me see what yours is. Yours is Ocean Breeze.
Yeah, mine is Ocean Breeze. It's kind of like eye drops, but it isn't. But it's a pink eye.
Shake it in the bottle. You shake it all over the place. Right, very good.
Close it. Now mix.
Right.
That smells super good.
Get pour it and then you put the olive stick on both sides to keep the wick up, right?
Okay, can I pour mine?
Yes, go ahead.
It moved.
Yeah, put more.
Then this much?
Yeah, very good.
I needed 2 sticks to put in and pull it. The candle is now hot. Let's cut the wick. Snip. Did you? And all done. Bye guys, I love you guys. Bye.